Question number 10. Bundgaard Enterprises, a house renovation company in the city of West Enable, has created and successfully run 3 backup jobs for the same mission-critical virtual machine, or VM, for the last year. Okay, so it's been running for quite some time. 1 daily backup job, okay, 1 weekly backup job, and 1 monthly backup job. So you could already question why are they doing this, but maybe they have reasons. An operations engineer is about to start patching the application and has requested the backup team to perform a quick backup of the VM, the virtual machine. The backup administrator has been asked to confirm what will happen when executing the quick backup. So the first question, of course, here is if you really know what a quick backup is. Now, quick backup means that Veeam will go and locate a job that contains this virtual machine, and then it will start that job, but it will only run the job for that 1 virtual machine. It will then create a restart point, but normally creating a new restart point could also mean getting rid of an old restart point. So we're messing with retention. So for this reason, this restart point will actually not be counted for retention. And when the next job, the next time this job runs, it will create a new additional restart point as normal. And then the quick backup restart point and the next scheduled restart point will basically be collapsed into one single, not on disk per se, but from a retention perspective. So eventually it will get rotated out and merged into the full or whatever your backup mode decides to do with these files. Maybe with reverse, it'll just get deleted and so on. So now that we know what a quick backup is, the real question here is then, well, they have 3 different jobs up here. So the weekly backup job will start. Okay, well, they have 1 of those. The daily backup job will start. They have that. Monthly job will start. Yeah. Quick backup cannot be performed if the VM is a part of more than 1 job, or all of them will start. So this is one of these questions where I would say, if you don't know, you could spend time to go to the documentation and take a look, but honestly, spend 2 minutes in the lab and we'll very quickly find out exactly what will happen. Now, of course, I'm here to give you a good tip. So if we look at the name here, quick backup, which means we wanted to finish quickly. Also, what does that mean? Well, if we assume that this monthly job ran 1 month ago, and this is the one we start, it will mean it will take more time to finish because there's basically more changes since 1 month ago. Of course, the weekly job will have less changes than the monthly job, but still more than the daily job. So the daily job is the one that will be able to finish the quickest, the fastest, and that's also why this is the correct option.